How to comment picture on TikTok. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application TikTok. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, inside For You page, move into any of the video that you'd want to comment a photo. Let's say I want to comment a photo in this post. Simply head over to the comment section. At the bottom right corner, you should see the icon of your gallery. If you see the icon, click on it, and from the gallery, choose any of the photo that you want to comment. Once you click on Confirm, your photo will be posted to the comment. But if there is no any option, then what you want to do is go back and head over to your profile. Tap on this three horizontal line and move into Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and move into Report a Problem. Once again, scroll down and click on Chat with Us. Once you're in this page, in this section, enter the problem that you have been facing on TikTok. Once entered, tap on Send. They will give you a specific reason for it and also the solution to your problem. Right here you can see it says it might be because this feature isn't available to you at the moment. So what you want to do is, you have to wait for the TikTok to update the feature on your device or your country. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.